Ayan, good morning po. Mega love shoutout po sa inyo lahat, sa mga subscriber po ni Ate Mars. Maraming salamat po, guys. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. It's over, so they say. If there ain't a sunny day, I know, shining down like water. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know it been that way for all my time. If there ever only goes, it will go the circles passing slow. I can't stop, I wonder. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Ayan, guys, sinubukan ko kumanta, guys, na mamaos kaya ako. Paos po si Ate Mars today. Sinubukan ko po para mabasag yung lalamunan ko. Shout out po. Ayan, salamat po. Masakit sa lalamunan. Salamat po.